Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Sabrina Hawk, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a science class for class 8 student based on extra creative questions and answers from chapter 13. Dear student, take your textbook. Open page number 137 and follow the class with your textbook. We will get all the answer from the chapter page number 137 to 150. Follow the class with your textbook and your copy. So let's start for our today's topic. Today we will discuss first creative question number 18 from your suggestion. The STEM is Saqib is 9 years old. He takes 1200 kilocalories protein daily. Moreover, he takes according to need rice, chocolates, butter, sugar, etc. But he never eat vegetables and fruits. First question, what is called basal metabolism? Second question, why glucose is more important for human body? Third question, that means question C, is determine the amount of protein in grams Saqib eats daily. And the last question, question D, is the food habit of Saqib can cause the various diseases in his body. Explain. Now come to the answer. First question was what is called basal metabolism. The answer is the basal metabolism is the minimal amount of energy necessary to maintain respiration, circulation and other vital body function while at rest. That means when we take rest, that time our respiration, circulation of blood and other functions also running. For this work we need some energy and that is called basal metabolism. Now come to the question number B. Question B was why the glucose is more important for human body. The answer is glucose is one kind of simple carbohydrate. Only one carbohydrate molecule makes monosaccharide. This is also called simple carbohydrate. For the balanced nutrition of the body, simple carbohydrate is very important because the human body can only absorb it. Of the three carbohydrates, glucose, fructose and galactose, only glucose gets into the whole body through the bloodstream. This is why glucose is more important for the human body. Now come to the question C. Determine the amount of protein in grams Saqib eats daily. Now we have to go to the STEM. Saqib is 9 years old. He takes 1200 kilocalories protein daily. That means we have to convert this 1200 kilocalorie into grams. Dear students, come to the answer. We know 1 gram protein contains equal to 4 kilocalorie energy. So 1200 kilocalorie energy of protein is obtained from 1200 divided by 4. Now we have to divide it. 3 4 is 12 and this 20 we have to add with it, and now the answer will be 300 gram proteins. Therefore, Saqib eats 300 gram proteins daily. Now come to the question D was the food habit of Saqib cause the various diseases in his body. Explain. We have to explain the food habit of Saqib. In the STEM there is written that Saqib eat 1200 kilocalories of protein daily and he eat according to his needs rice, chocolates, butter, sugar, etc. But he never eat vegetables. Dear students, we get vitamins and minerals from vegetables. So we have to discuss about this. The answer is the food habit of Saqib contains carbohydrates, proteins and vitamins D but not other vitamins. So deficiency of those vitamins may cause different diseases in his body. The possible diseases are: first one, night blindness. The symptom of this disease is one cannot see in inadequate or dim light, especially at night. If it continues for a longer period of time, one might lose his eyesight. Now Now come to the next disease name, that is Gerophthalmia. Gerophthalmia. Gerophthalmia is the disease if there is any deficiency of vitamin A, the cornea of one's eye may be affected. A dry layer appears on the cornea, the eyes get dry and rolling of water from the eyes also gets stopped. And the eyes cannot tolerate light gets into the eyes and the eyelids get soiled. Besides, if there is deficiency of vitamin A, the normal growth of the body is affected. Diseases like flu, cough and influenza may occur due to this. Now come to our next disease, this is scurvy. First one, the gum swells up and becomes soft. And second one, the roots of the teeth become loose and finally bleeds. Third one, the enamel weakens and as a result teeth falls. Fourth one, the glands swell up and mouth ache is filled. And fifth one, bleeding does not stop easily, healing of wound delayed. Now sixth one, other diseases like flu, cough easily attack the body. Now we will discuss about the last one about deficiency diseases, that is deficiency of vitamin K. The liver secretes bile, and if there is deficiency in secretion of bile, the absorption capacity of vitamin K is reduced. The bleeding under skin and inside the body due to the deficiency of vitamin K, if not stopped, it may result in the death of the patient. Now we will go for our next question, that is question number 19 of your suggestion. Mithu has a swollen gum which becomes soft. Doctor advised her to take sour fruit every day. On the other hand, her younger sister Ritu hardly sees at night. The first question, that means question number A, is what is balanced diet? Question B is why transpiration is known as the necessary evil, and question C is describe the symptoms of Mithu's disease, and question D is analyze the preventive measure of Ritu's disease with reasons. Now come to the question A. Answer, question A was the what is balanced diet? The answer is the food which meet the demand of calories of the body, maintain the growth and formation of tissue cells and controls the metabolite activities, that will be metabolic. Control the metabolic activities of the body is called balanced diet. Now come to the question B, why transpiration is known as necessary evil? The answer is if the rate of loss of water greater than the rate of absorption, it will cause a deficiency of water and minerals in the plant. As a result, the plant may die. If water is deficient in soil, absorption will be very little through the transpiration would continue as before. To fact this crisis, natural causes many plants to drop leaves in winter. So it is called necessary evils. Now come to the question C, describe the symptoms of Mithu's disease in the stem. Mithu, they said that Mithu has a swollen gum which become soft. Now come to the answer. Mithu is suffering from scurvy disease. It occurs from the deficiency of vitamin C. The symptoms of this disease is first one, the gums swell up and become soft. Second one, the root of the teeth become loose and finally bleeds. Third one, the enamel weakens and as a result the tooth falls. The fourth one, the gland swells up and the mouth ache is filled. And the fifth one, bleeding does not stop easily, healing of wound delayed. And sixth one, other diseases like flu, cough easily attack the body. Now come to the question D, analyze the preventive measure of Ritu's disease with reasons. Ritu's disease was, then Ritu hardly see at night. The answer of the D is Ritu is suffering from night blindness disease. The symptom of this disease is one cannot see in inadequate or dim light, especially at night. The children are the main victim of this disease. If it continues for a longer period of time, one might lose her eyesight. If attacked with this disease, green vegetables and colored fruits should be added to the food menu of the children. Vitamin A capsule can prevent this disease. In our country, vitamin A capsule is given to the children on vaccination day at different vaccination center. As a preventive measure, Ritu should eat fish liver oil and animal fats. She should also eat vegetables enriched with carotene such as lal shak, palang shak, pui shak, tomatoes, carrots, beets and pumpkin, etc. And she should eat different fruits like papaya, mango, jackfruit contains vitamin A, also small fish like mola, dhela, etc. Dear students, here is your homework. This is homework number 25 for your annual term. You have to write as homework of CQ 18th D and D of CQ 19th, and you have to submit on Sunday. Dear students, that means this question answer and this question answer is your homework. This one and this one you have to write as your homework. Dear students, I have finished my today's topic. Hope you have understood. If you feel any problem, you can contact with me. I have given my contact number and my messenger ID on the board. Keep practicing, learn all the previous question answer whatever I give in the previous classes. Learn your oral sheet also. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.